everyone. I am Marta Lancione from Fondazione Stella Maris in Pisa, and I'm presenting our project on synthesizing myelin water fraction for multi-site T1 mapping harmonization. So we are currently running a multicentric studies on leukodystrophies, and we want to measure white matter integrity in this patient. So one way to do so is to measure myelin water fraction, but this requires either dedicated sequences and complex modeling or long scan times. So we decided to go with T1 mapping instead and use it as a proxy for myelin water fraction. But as this measure depends on many different parameters, we found suboptimal multicentric reproducibility when we compared scanners from different vendors. So the aim of this work is to improve the cross-site comparability by generating synthetic myelin water fraction maps from T1 maps with a learning-based approach. So we scanned a group of traveling brains on several different MR systems with different T1 mapping approaches. And from one of these scans, we obtained a reference myelin water fraction map using a multi-component model. And then we compared the T1 maps obtained on with the other scans to this reference map in order to find a relationship between R1 and myelin water fraction. We tried different models and we used the best one, that was a logistic model, to synthesize the myelin water fraction maps from T1 maps. So our results showed increased reproducibility with synthetic myelin water fraction maps compared to T1 across vendors, across field, and across methods. And also we found preserved diagnostic sensitivity when distinguishing patients and controls. So we proposed a simple, interpretable, and accurate model to generate myelin water fraction from T1 map to improve reproducibility without compromising diagnostic sensitivity. Thank you, everyone.